Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a unboxing of Beyblade Burst Turbo. So yeah, it's a newly released. Sorry how dark it is, but yeah, there we go. You can see me better. I have it in wide mode, but yeah, it's Leopard L4 and silver Jormuntor J4 2-pack. So yeah, let's get this unboxing going. Oh yeah. For Jormuntor's attack 3, burst 2, defense 2, weight 3, agility 4, stamina 7. And Leopard is L4 is attack is 7, burst is 4, defense is 0, weight is 3, agility is 8, and stamina is 1. Yeah. Oh yeah, Leopard. Ooh, there's Leopard. This is the code. But yeah, it actually works. It's decently heavy. Now, yeah. Okay, I was gonna say, you don't know. There's that. There's 12 and his disc. And of course, his little thing right here. Oh, jeez. Yeah. He's strong. Oh, jeez. Adding him to my collection. This is my first Jormuntor, so yeah. I'm happy about this. There's 8. Is this 8 dash? No. And finally the tip. Oh goodness, another strong little thing. And the slingshot ability is this goes up. Just like this. You spin it like that. I need to break this guy in though. But yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.